Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video where we are gonna learn about so many different hairstyles that are gonna make you even more interesting. So here you have to get this and then just tuck your hair out and get some beautiful lovely strings and just tie them into a beautiful braid and get them out in this manner with the help of this accessory and get it beautifully tucked up in this way. And on the both the sides you need to roll them up and get a ribbon as well. Now here you need to get these colorful short rubber bands and then you have to make a beautiful pattern out of this in this manner and just get these beautiful lovely patterns made like this. Get them crisscross over the hair and get these hair out in this manner to make it look even more beautiful and amazing. And here you have to tuck the clips as well. Now here just comb the hair and get them beautifully tucked in this manner. You have to make the two ponytails here as well and then tie them up in this way as we are showing in the video, and then you have to just make it in this manner, make the beautiful heart as well and get the ribbon tucked up. Thank you guys for watching.